Greetings, I am the Idiotor, here with a little criticism on not Whitney Houston, but the people talking about her. Keep that in mind before you go telling me that I'm a heartless monster. Now, Whitney Houston died some days ago. Now, whether or not that's tragic, I'm not going to judge. But the thing is, people are going on about how, oh, she was a great loss, oh, she'll always be missed, and oh, what a talent. No, wait, shut the fuck up. You all a week ago, and for the last 5 years, were only too quick to go on about how, oh, she's going downhill, oh, she's a wreck, and all this Bolshevik. You know, and then all of a sudden when she dies, you're all saying, oh, what a great loss. Bullshit! You're full of bullshit! The people at CNN going on about it, the people they ask, all of you say the same thing. You're saying, what a great loss, what a tragedy. No, fuck off, you Bolshevikers. Oh, you just say the fucking bullshit. But a week ago, you were only too quick to put her under a train or a bus. Now, I have no opinion about the woman, one way or another. Yes, it's bad that she died, and that's all I'm going to say about that. But hearing all these people kissing her posthumous ass is a bunch of crap. You were only talking about her badly for the last 5 years or more, maybe more, but you now are talking about her like she's an angel. Now, whether or not she's an angel is not my opinion either, so shut up before you go there. The problem I'm having is that you all say one thing and then another. Same thing with Michael Jackson. You all going about how he's a child molester and all this crap and shit. Then he dies and all of a sudden he's Jesus Christ. So make sure you are calling it like it is or like you actually feel. Don't go on about it. People at CNN alone will go on about, oh, she's a crack and she's been in and out of rehab and she's all looks like this and she has a bad singing thing. And then all of a sudden when she dies, it's a bad thing. It's terrible. Oh, she was such an angel. Bolshevik. So, I may be lying, but at least I'm not lying to you when I say she dying is a tragedy. But I'm calling it like it is from the start, unlike you hypocritical idiots. Idiots.